I'm Kathy Lewis, and this is my Little Bowl of Beings class. Jean-Marie Webb was doing some sculptures, and hers were coming up on the Facebook feed, and they just made me feel emotional. They just they just got to me. And then I saw that she was doing a class, and I thought, well, I'll take the class, but she can do that, but I don't know if I can do that. So I didn't know that I would really pick up the clay. But then I said, I'll try one. So I tried one, and I was just hooked. That was 4 years ago. And honestly, I love all types of art, but and I'll do other types of art. But I always go back to this clay. So in this class, you're going to learn quite an array of skills to take with you that will apply perhaps to your other clay making. And the amazing thing is this applies to your two-dimensional art as well. So one of the things you'll learn is just how to use a clay mold. One of the other things you'll learn is how to take that clay mold and pop out a face, but then make changes on that face. So give that character a bigger nose, or give it some ears, or cut its mouth off and put a whole new mouth. So you'll make a whole new character out of a mold. The other thing you'll learn how to do is just to create a face completely molded on your own. Another thing you'll learn how to do is to make really wonky faces. And these are my Deb inspired. We got permission from Deb since I had been making them for her class, to show people how to make them. Then we also learn how to do what I call facelifting. And I'm going to leave that as a surprise. You can think about, what does she mean by facelifting? You can learn that one in class. I think if you want to do it, just do it. Get yourself a way to learn some so basic. These are really basic types of instructions. That's all that you need for these. Hope to see you in class so you can meet all my friends.